Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. Train's clear. Casey?
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction, a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises.
Deja vu. No, that doesn't sound right. Anyways, I feel like we've been here before.
We might want to go check on that.
Yeah, you go that way, I'm gonna go this way.
Hold it, wait a minute. Hold the whole shooting match. Now that noise didn't come from that outhouse. Where are you going?
Well, you see, Sheriff, I just drank the last Kool-Aid.
Deputy, I told you to go before we left town.
I didn't have to go when we were in town there, Sheriff.
All right, go on.
Thank you.
All right, folks, seems like my deputy's going to be indisposed and in the outhouse, so I'm going to need y'all's help. Now, we've been getting reports of mask-wearing bandits running about, so if y'all see any of them, you let me know, okay?
Behind you.
Behind me. All right, well, I'll look to my right here. See, look, there ain't nobody there. I don't know what the big deal is.
Behind you.
Are you sure? Okay, well, I'm going to look to my left. See, look, there still ain't nobody there. I think y'all just pulling my leg now. But you know what? I'll tell you what. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. I'm going to count three and I'm going to turn around really fast, okay? 1, 2, 3. Well, there ain't a single soul. I think y'all are just full of cotton candy. Now, look, I'm a busy man, got a job to do. Say, Lester! Lester!
It's behind you. Behind you.
Why is it so dark in here?
Hey, Sheriff. What is this?
Ow! Get back! Ow! Why didn't you tell me there was a bandit behind me? Come here, you.
Welcome back, one more. Hey, ow, ow, hey, ow.
Get out here! You want some more, huh?
Why, I oughta.
Take that. And that. I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Look, what I found in the bank. My very own she-rat.
Oh yeah, what's the big idea? Don't you gonna get somebody in trouble?
That is a big idea. This here's a daring daylight train robbery.
Hold on. I got the drop on you, so not so fast.
Hold on. Looks like I got the drop on you.
Hey, you were...
Yes, I was abandoned. I'm wearing this for a reason there, Deputy.
Who are you two?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Allow myself to introduce myself. My name is Texas Pete. This here's my little brother Tabasco, and together we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. Cha, 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 cha. Ah!
Hey, listen. Y'all should have brought some parents, y'all. Now listen, we don't want no trouble.
Oh, that's too bad, because shows what you got.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, all righty then.
Ooh. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. Hey, I'm okay. Don't worry. Everything's okay. What's up? Ready, slow down for power change? Oh, this ain't good. Ha! I won. Dang it! All right, that's the other. No, you already won.
Oh my goodness.
Boom!
Hey, wait. I've got one and you've got...
Get over here! You two! Get us that gold right now!
Well, we can't get you that gold.
Oh, why not?
Well, that's that squirrely trooper up there at Fort Benning.
Yeah, yeah. Take that gold. He is gonna be mighty upset with you and with you.
Oh, he's gonna be upset?
What did you do?
He's gonna be upset?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't think of that. Oh, Tabasco, how could we ever do such a thing? Whatever will we do? I don't care.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna be long gone before we ever find it out.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Listen, I ain't getting no gold for no mask wearing. Skunk, stanky, bandito, burrito like yourself up.
Oh, yeah? Oh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, all righty. Okay, yeah.
Get up there.
Yeah. We'll go
That's
with
what I thought. Tabasco, we're gonna be rich!
Yeah, I'd say
Texas
What you
Pete.
gonna do with your half of the gold?
Well, I'm gonna give you a long stem rose for Miss Diamond Mill at the palace.
No chance.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna get me some fudge from the fudge
Got a
shop.
bunch of blood sugar.
Oh yeah, no, I do get it. I'm gonna get me a saddle.
Don't even own a horse.
Oh, you don't like any of my big deals.
You two get back here, Tabasco. I want you to examine the box.
All right. The box is green. It's probably about
Oh, it's
2
about
foot.
2.5 foot long.
Yeah,
about
about 2.5 foot by a
foot
foot and a half
deep.
long. Yeah.
Tabasco!
That's my.
I meant the contents of the
Oh
box.
crap! Sorry. Oh, look at that! 2
Yeah.
bags of gold. We're rich. We can finally go to Tahiti.
Two bags of gold. I know them troopers didn't pay rent. We're talking county with only 2 bags of gold.
Can you?
They probably did.
My secret.
Oh.
Are you sure? Do you pinky promise? Pinky promise? Pinky promise? Pinky promise? Okay. So, me and the sheriff, pinky promise? Sheriff, do you pinky promise? Sheriff, do you pinky
Get
promise?
on with it.
Look, okay, me and the sheriff, we took the gold on up to Fort Boone, but they're never gonna find it. Why, dude? Oh, hello.
I ain't the
That's
sheriff.
what.
I didn't ask you a pinky promise.
Well,
Where's the sheriff, sir?
So go get this back on the train. We're taking a field trip up to Fort Boone, okay?
all right.
Tabasco?
Yeah.
You know what to do.
All right, I sure do.
All right, me and Texas Pete are gonna come around collecting all your valuables. I'm talking about cash, gold, and jewelry.
Yeah.
Just sit back and hush up.
I'm looking at you. You don't have any trouble.
Mr. Conductor, take us on up to Fort Boone.
Folks, these outlaws don't look none too friendly, so it would be in your best interest to stay in your seats and out of their way. Casey Jones, we better do as they say and get this train on up to Fort Boone. Folks, I've been the conductor on this here train for a mighty long time, and I've seen many an outlaw try and rob the old Tweetsie train, but none have ever been successful. Still, well, now, doesn't look like anybody's coming to our rescue. Our bad guys have finally won.
Yes, sir. Typically one there, Mr. Conductor. You just better count yourself lucky. We didn't come through these train cars. Took off all your precious little passengers. We're just too tender-hearted, I reckon. Now, if you know what to do for you, you'll stay back there and hush up.
don't you just come on back here and see what happens there, Mr. Sauce?
Boy, I'll come back there, give you a Wild West whooping. It's not going to work up at number 6 on you. Now then, enough of all this jibber jabber. Let's get down to business. Slow dog, right over here by the well, back to back, cheek to cheek, act like you like one another. Let's go! Yeah, I have a very, very, very important job for you.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Come over here, it's a secret job.
Oh, secret job.
Come over here. All right, son. I want you to take this rope. Go all the way over there and tie them up, all right?
Over there.
That's right.
Okay. Sure thing, man.
Wait a minute.
What?
Back here.
Yeah,
Let's do that rope for a second.
Yeah, what's on?
What did you just call me?
Maddox.
You lucky! We're big time bandits now. Right, we got told they're for a reason.
Right. Sorry.
Now go time up.
Sure thing, Maddox. Text Pete. Sorry. Wake up, please. I know. Here, do you want to hold that for me? You just hold this one. Thank you. All right. Oh, hey, Texas Pete.
Yeah?
Before we head inside to find that gold at Fort Boone,
Yeah?
can I play one more round of rock, paper, scissors with Deputy? Well, they only tied 1-1. All right, ready? And... Hey!
I cannot believe you lost to him!
What do you mean? Come on!
He's not that good at rock, paper, scissors. Sore loser. Yeah.
Well, Deputy, what a fix you got us into this time.
What do you mean I got us into?
Well, you're the one that told Tabasky, whatever his name is.
Hey there, Marshall.
Sheriff, what up? What do you think about this lineup?
Well, funny thing, you're going to think it's hilarious. Yeah. The hot sauce bandits took over the train, tied us up out in the fort, trying to get that money.
Hot sauce bandits?
Yeah. See, I told you it's the craziest thing, and
pretty
Deputy
funny.
told him everything.
I did not do that.
Again, Deputy, I thought we talked about this.
I didn't do it.
Well, now listen, what do you think you ought to do?
Well, how about I go around back and see if I can wrangle up those bandits?
Okay.
You two stay here with the bog. See if he can help you out.
Sounds like a plan. Ready, Chief?
1, 2, 3, break! Hey, Boggs! Boggs!
Popcorn for sale! Popcorn for sale! Out there, Boy Scouts out! Popcorn for sale! Hey, Sheriff, how's it going?
I didn't know you were selling popcorn.
Well, yeah! That's what all Boy Scouts do. And it's made fresh.
Well, listen, we hate to ask, but where's that gold that you're supposed to be guarding?
Oh, that my Uncle Super Bob did? I think you promised him I would never say where we hid it. Downstairs to the left.
And did the hot sauce bandits know where that's at?
Hot sauce bandits?
Yeah, they're inside your fort right
Inside the
now.
fort? Oh, man. This isn't good. Okay, all right. We got this.
Let's go!
Texas Pete.
Basco?
Texas Pete.
Basco!
Texas Pete.
Go, Basco!
Texas Pete, I'm on your left.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
You found some of that gold?
No, Bill, I found this dynamite. It's for the deputy. Beating me and
Get rid of that
I'll
thing.
show you better.
Okay, all right. I got this.
Nothing beats dynamite.
Man, if you I thought you would have been better than you.
Dynamite beats dynamite.
I don't think he's been shot all day.
Oh, he hasn't. Get it?
Where's Bob's at?
Wait a second. Something different here.
Yeah.
Oh, Boggs is out here.
Exactly.
That's it. Yeah. Something else is wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glowing from beating him in rock, paper, scissors.
How'd you get loose?
Oh, we got untied.
I see that. How'd you get untied?
The marshal freed us.
The marshals!
She thought it
You
was
hear that?
hilarious.
The marshals freed you! Cut that out, love cat.
Don't you look
The
over your
marshals!
shoulder.
How are you tapping my shoulder?
I'm not.
You're not?
I'm not.
I don't want to turn around.
Yeah, but you better.
Better do it.
It's the marshal.
Let's go!
Tweetsie!
Behind you!
Thanks, Bugs.
Yo!
should have.
Yeah.
Well, Bob, what do you think we ought to do about it?
Well, I say you take him back into town and lock him up for about 45 minutes.
Okay, what are you going to do if the rest of the gang shows up?
Don't worry, we'll take care of stuff.
Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. Cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha.
Oh!
Don't you be making fun. It took me weeks coming up with that. You didn't come up with that, Granny did. It just took you weeks to learn it.
Well, I don't care who come up with it. Y'all are going to jail.
Folks, please return to your seats and how about a big old round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Boggs. Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
Then you want to buy a box of popcorn? Trade all popcorn? Positive?
Oh, I'm good, Bob.
You got no popcorn?
That was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train. In case you missed it earlier, our train is being pulled by a genuine coal-fired steam locomotive. We have two locomotives here at Tweetsie Railroad, both built by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia. Our number 12, the original Tweetsie locomotive, built in 1917, ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad. From 1918 to 1940, the train ran daily between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. The train got its nickname, Tweetsie, because of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Our number 190 locomotive, the Yukon Queen, was built in 1943. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960. Each day, our locomotives will burn as much as 5 tons of coal, use up to 5,000 gallons of water making steam to pull us around the mountains.
Everybody else good? That's okay.
Many of the earliest settlers in the area lived in simple log cabins, much like this one. They're small and have good floors, but they kept the family cozy and warm during the harsh mountain winters. see and do, Tweetsie. Ride the rides at the country fair. Head up to Miners Mountain and pan for gold or other pleasure things. Visit the Deer Park Zoo. There's more rides and shows up there for little ones of all ages. Then, if you want to, come on back and ride the train again. Things are always changing out here in the Old West. And you never know what might happen next time. be kept you safe and sound. And be sure you stay that way. Please stay in your seats until the train is season pass just by visiting my ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remember to remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop, and the train cars have finished rolling backwards. This time it is safe to exit out the rear of your train cars. Thank y'all for riding with us and enjoy the rest of your day here at Tweetsie Railroad.